Get acquainted with the 2023 Nissan Ariya. You deserve a ride that was designed with your needs in mind. The time is right to take advantage of the technology, performance, and creature comforts this vehicle has to offer. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: lane departure warning, panoramic roof, keyless entry, navigation system, sun, moonroof, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, power passenger seat, fog lamps, power liftgate. Feel the satisfaction that comes from optimizing your driving pleasure. Treat yourself to a road test today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.